guys, Steph here. Okay, what have we got for you today? What we've got for you is a lovely pen that I actually found over the weekend. I actually found this, and believe it or not, yes, another Parker 51. But this one, as you can see, a gorgeous pen. I've actually just finished it. We've actually cleaned, well, totally disassembled the pen, cleaned everything internally, put a new sack in it, and the pen is now ready to go. It's ready to find a new home. What is it? Well, what it is, it's a Conway Stewart 84 made in England. It's made in England around about the 1950s. As you can see, it comes in this gorgeous blue colour with gold veins. Absolutely stunning. Now, for you regular viewers, you may know that I've actually done the video on the 84 before on a black one, and also a similar one to, well, it's the same model, but the green with gold veins. This particular model, I believe they brought them out in different colours, about 10 different colours, in blue marbles, in green marbles, and they brought this particular sort of design, if you like, in a rose, green, and in this blue with, as I say, gold veins. So what I'll do, I'll leave you a link later on in the video. You can go and have a look at the other colours, the black one and the green one if you wish. But as I say, a gorgeous pen. The size of this pen, capped 118 millimeters, capped around the diameter of the barrel. It's a lovely 11 millimeters in diameter. As you can see, it's a lever fill pen. There we go. And while we're on the barrel, let's show you the barrel imprint. Okay, there we go. We've got a lovely barrel imprint that reads Conway Stewart 84 made in England. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let's take it up to the cap. You can see it's got this quite a wide cap band there to the bottom of the cap. You've got to the top the very recognisable Conway Stewart clip with the logo, the diamond logo to the top of the clip, and on this case we've got this gold peaked stud to the very top of the cap there, which sort of complements the sort of peak at the end of the barrel, as you can see there. But as I say, all in all, a stunning pen. Okay, now let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous sort of different angles. As we've said, we've fully restored it. It's ready to go, ready for a new home. So let's go to the section. You can see it's got this black section there. We've got the Conway Stewart nib, and it reads Conway Stewart 14 karat gold, and then to the bottom we've got the number 4, which is the correct nib for this pen. There's a sideways view. There's the feed underneath. As with all my pens, again fully disassembled. Everything has been thoroughly cleaned, and as we said, ready to go. Although it's a smallish pen, even with my large hands, it's still a nice comfortable pen to actually hold and to write with. But what we'll do, let's bring on some paper. Now, because I've put a new sack in the pen, I'm not going to fill the pen. I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner, but just out of interest, let's see how the pen writes. So what we'll do, to the side of me here, I've got some ink. We'll dip it and let's just see how the pen writes. So So what we've got is a Conway Stewart, this one being the number 84, as we said, made in England. Let's just give it another little dip. Writing very nicely. Just a little bit of scratch to the nib, so what I'll do a little bit of smoothing sort of after the video. Is there any flex? No, not really. Well, there's a little bit of variation, as you can see there, but it's not going to be actually I wouldn't say it's a flexy nib. It's writing, I would say, with a medium, maybe medium, sort of fine side of medium, writing nicely, just a little bit of scratchiness, but what we'll do, we'll smooth that out after the video. But a lovely writer, as you can see there. So what we'll do, we'll clean that nib after the video. Absolutely gorgeous. So there you have it again. It's a lovely blue, different shades of blues, and as you can see, these gold veins running throughout the pen. But the main thing, even when I found it, it was in lovely condition. I've just simply cleaned everything, disassembled, put a new sack in it, and as I say, it's now ready to find a new home. So there we have it. I thought this was more than worthy for a video, so there you have it, the Conway Stewart number 84. As I say, I'll leave you a link to the top in a little moment, go and have a look at that. But as I say, sorry, the Conway Stewart 84 in blue marbling with gold veins from the 1950s. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below down there. Give the video a thumbs up. Press that thumbs up symbol. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.